Hey, what's up, you guys? So we're back at it again. This is our $200 blaster. Today we're gonna be pulling apart the engine. We're gonna be pulling just the cylinder off, seeing if it's just a cylinder issue. As you can see, it doesn't go down. Most definitely it's either caught or the crank's done, or the crank's jammed up. But we're gonna remove the gas tank, get a fill up, remove 2 of the screws here, and we're gonna remove the exhaust screws, take off the exhaust, unbolt it from here, slide it to the side, and actually take off. These are 12mm nuts here. We're gonna remove all 4 of them, and it should come out right away. We're gonna first see the damage by removing the top end here. Hopefully it's just the cylinder and piston. That's good. We can buy a new cylinder. It's like $120, and then we can buy a piston, a Wiseco piston. Should be $100. And yeah, hopefully it's just the top end. I'm gonna come back to you guys right now when I remove everything and pull the cylinder head off. Okay, so after a little bit of movie magic, we're able to actually get everything removed and pull the screws. But let's see the moment of truth here. Let's see the cylinder. This is the first time I'm taking a look at it. I'm not gonna look. But oh, there we go. Typical issue here when you run straight gas. As you can see, the piston itself melted. You see the little beads, railed beads. So this might be savable. Might be. Then we got the Chinese gaskets. Gosh, this is a Chinese bike all around. Got the Chinese gasket. You know what? I'm gonna show you guys how long a Chinese top end lasts for. I'm gonna order up a Chinese top end and then order up all the original parts too with it. These Chinese top ends will destroy your motor. They're decent if they're done right and the cylinder is ported correctly. But yeah, this is completely trashed. This is the reason why it melted itself. Let's see on the top of the head here. We have all the screws and everything, so we're gonna dump this right here. I'm gonna put all this in a baggie. Let's see the top of this head to see if it's melted. Oh yeah, we have some detonation here. Look at that, little specks here and there. It's really rough. Yeah, this right here, it's a typical sign. This is a, let me see if it's the original head. It should have a Y. So, oh no, this is a Chinese head too. Yeah, doesn't have the markings. Let me see. So, Yamaha. No, nothing. This is a Chinese head too. Oh. Is there a Yamaha logo here? No. Everything's... It's a Chinese head. Well, I don't see that a lot. But let's see if the crank gets frozen. Most definitely it's not. This looks like it's welded itself to the cylinder. I'm going to remove all 4 screws. Hopefully this becomes loose. I'm going to have to either hammer the crank or do something here, cut it off. But it's going to be really difficult to get up. I get this a lot. But as you can see, the damage all around. This, yeah, it's a Chinese top end. Okay, so after a couple minutes of work here, I have to remove the exhaust. But I removed all the bolts. This is my first time taking a look. Let's see what's wrong here. Let's give it a quick pull. Oh, surprisingly really easy to pull out here. Let me see. Ah, caught my finger. Wow. Let's take a look. Wow. Somebody's been in here. As you can see. Oh wow, no. It looks like it broke. Got shredded here. Has a lot of this little metal shavings, everything at the bottom end here. As you can see, this thing had no gas in it, no oil. Oh wow, seized right off. I would use this wrist pin, but the wrist pin's kind of gone. There's no way getting this out, or even use. Why would I use this? But the rod looks okay. No, I think the rod's stuck here. It's actually jammed up right here. See if we can unstick that. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I think the rod's gone here. The rod might be gone. Let's see. Okay. Let's see. Let's heat this up here. There's skirts and stuff underneath. Yeah, this either is jammed up, stuck. No way. I did not just save this rod. No way I just saved that. Hopefully there's no... It's rotating. Oh wow, it's jammed up on the actual crank. We're just gonna try to scrape that off. Check out the rod itself. What type of rod is this? Made in Japan rod. It's a little bit of side to side, no up and down. Might be good. This is a Chinese bottom end. I think that idea, yeah, I think this is a Chinese bottom end. I've never seen one of these before. It's my first time. Made in Japan crank. Well, this is the original. Let me see. Okay, so after cleaning out the bottom end, we're gonna put some degreaser inside. There's a lot of metal shavings, so we're gonna put our magic sauce. I don't care where it splatters. Some of our magic sauce here. And we're just gonna keep rotating the crank. Let it sit for about a couple hours. About an hour or two. Oh, as you can hear, something else is in here. Oh yeah, something else. See, it's probably from the bearings. Something there. Ooh, it sounds big. I'm gonna keep rinsing out the bottom end, get it all freed up. But yeah. Hey, what's up, you guys? So after doing some digging, I just found some V-Force reeds. Yes, sir. These are reeds. Yep, they are V-Force reeds. That's pretty cool. As you can see, this thing blew up. These are no good. We're gonna have to buy some new reeds, reed paddles. But yeah, pretty cool find. These are $100. Wow, they just fell apart. These are carbon fiber reeds. Yeah, they are carbon fiber. That's pretty cool. But yeah, that's a pretty cool find that I just found on the bike. A lot of goodies. I'll ever do this. I'm just trying to get this jammed up really bad. It should come out really easily. I'm gonna clean that up. But yeah, these are, what are these? Moto Tizineri? Never heard of that brand. Are these really V-Force? Yeah, they are V-Force. Okay, awesome. Cool find, cool find. And the rest of these pedals are here. As you can see, this bike was driven with no oil. No oil at all. The good thing is the rod separated from the piston, so I didn't have to hammer it out. It's a pretty cool find. It was so hot that it has these grooves everywhere. Okay, so this is our new cylinder here. Our old one. We're waiting for the new one to come into the mail, but there's nothing savable. Oh, this whole piston's gone, and cylinder. We're gonna trash the cylinder, but we need to first take these studs off. Okay, just got rid of the studs. This goes in the trash.